Hello and welcome to pointR. What you're seeing is pointR booting up. Now, what we're starting with is two files left over from a previous session, and I'm using these basically to tease you into getting interested in pointers. So I hope that this works. To begin with, pointR is an IDE. It's based using or developed using the Shiny server, and it has an electron wrapper wrapped around it so as to make it more, the graphics more standardized, and also it allows me to create multiple windows, including windows which for creating Shiny controls, custom input controls. But for the time being, let's just concentrate on what we're looking at, and that is two panels, a panel on the left, a panel on the right. The panel on the left contains our instruction set or our code, which is to produce the panel on the right. The panel on the right actually has three tabs. Right now we're looking at the R panel tab, which is the literal output of the code. That if I switch to the SVG panel, I get to see the result, the graphical result, if you embed this in your RMD or whatever. And again, this is the graphical result. If to produce that graphical result, we use a library call. We have tidyverse in there, and we have a list which has a tribble as one of its elements, and then a call to SVGR, which was one of the functions in the SVGR library. And that's the last element or statement in this left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we see the output. And again, it was generated with these points here, and I can see the points of the tibble here. And getting into more details, well, we'll do that later. I'm just trying to tease you into getting interested. So let's get back to the other second tab, which is another file. In here, we have a circle, a red circle, which morphs into the letter R. And again, the last statement is a call to the SVGR. And there's a tribble that defines a bunch of points, and you can see the points here. There's a lot of them. And you can also see literally what the output is if you want to. All right. In addition, there are some editor shortcuts, which you can see from the help. There's also an element reference, so you can look up the different SVG elements that are available. For example, polygon, and you can see what its attributes are and so forth. And you can also go to the user guide, which is fairly extensive and has a lot of useful information. There's a gradient with key splines. I don't know. Oh, here, let's do this thing. Boom. Okay. So in any case, to give you an idea of what things you can do, again, two panels. Left panel is the input, right panel is the output. SVG panel is the graphical output without the points. And that's it for today. I hope that you stay safe and that you enjoyed this video. Take care and see you soon.